So, you've installed your Schlage Connect, and now you're ready to use your lock and learn more about the many features and benefits of going keyless. You'll want to start with this video, where we'll show you how to lock and unlock your door, as well as set lock and leave and auto lock. We'll also briefly review some of the features of your Schlage Connect. Additional videos will show you how to use and program these features. Let's get started. To unlock your door using the touchpad, you'll first need to locate one of the 4-digit pre-programmed user codes that came with your lock. You can find these, along with your programming code, on the back of your user guide. Or if necessary, you can also find them on the back of the inside assembly of your lock, but you'll need to disassemble the lock to see them. A little inconvenient, but a solid backup in case you ever misplace your user guide. User codes are a unique set of numbers used to operate your lock from the touchscreen. Adding and changing user codes are demonstrated in a separate programming video. To unlock the door from the outside, just press the Schlage button and enter a valid user code. The bolt will automatically retract. To lock the door from the outside, simply push the Schlage button. To lock or unlock the door from the inside, simply rotate the thumb turn to engage and disengage the deadbolt. The inside Schlage button is used to control other features and will not lock the door. Before showing you how to set the features of your Schlage Connect, let's review some of the programming basics. Programming your lock is easy because the steps are similar for all features. Here we go. To program your lock, always begin by extending the deadbolt, pressing the Schlage button, and entering your unique 6-digit programming code. Your programming code allows you to access and change lock features, so store it in a safe place. When in programming mode, a small amber light in the lower right corner of your touchscreen will flash. When programming a feature, audible beeps and a green check mark will illuminate if entries are successful. A red X indicates unsuccessful attempts. Always exit programming mode by pressing the Schlage button or waiting 30 seconds for the programming light to go off before continuing on. So now that you have the basics, let's give it a try. When the lock and leave feature is enabled, you can lock your door from the outside with a single push of the Schlage button. This feature is enabled when you first install your lock, but can be turned off if desired. To disable or enable this feature, start by extending the bolt. Now simply press the Schlage button, then enter your 6-digit programming code. The programming light in the lower right of the touchscreen will begin to flash, indicating you are in programming mode. Next, press the number 7. A green check mark will flash once and beep once to indicate the feature is enabled, or twice to indicate the feature is disabled. Just repeat the process to switch between enabled and disabled. You can always lock and unlock the door by pressing the Schlage button and entering a valid user code. That's all there is to it. Let's look at some more functions. When the auto lock feature is enabled, your door will automatically relock itself 30 seconds after it's unlocked. This feature is disabled when you first install your lock. To enable or disable this feature, start by extending the bolt. Now simply press the Schlage button, then enter your 6-digit programming code. The programming light in the lower right of the touchscreen will begin to flash, indicating you are in programming mode. Next, press the number 9. The green check mark will flash once and beep once to indicate the feature is enabled, or twice to indicate the feature is disabled. Just repeat the process to switch between enabled and disabled. Additional programming options include adding and deleting users, changing your default programming code, enabling vacation mode, and setting the built-in alarm. Your Schlage Connect is also equipped with Z-Wave technology, which allows you to seamlessly integrate your lock into a home security network and control access with your smartphone. Check out Schlage.com for information about compatibility with your home security network. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Schlage. To learn more about these topics, visit us on YouTube or contact Schlage Customer Service at www.schlage.com or 888-805-9837.